Can you explain digital marketing in your own words?
Okay, so with digital marketing, it's all about building relationships digitally to create a win-win situation. Very often, I think people always see, digital marketing as, very platform focused or whatnot, but it is not that way, right? With what I just said, right, digital marketing is about building relationships. It means that you need to really go beyond the platforms, but think about the people you want to reach out to. Think about, who they are, what do they care about, what do they want in their life. And then the next thing is that you kind of have a good idea who they are. You want to be able to go out there in the digital landscape and think about where would they be digitally. You want to learn how to reach out to them. And after being able to reach out to them, the next thing is that you need to build that relationship, that connection to them and say, hey, you know what, I know your pain, I know your struggles, and I know what you want. So why don't you just come and join me? And I think really, if you think about this, it is like all human relationships. It's just that the only difference is that it is happening digitally. And I think that is what digital marketing is all about. Building relationships digitally so that I obviously get a customer and my customer gets value from me as well.